everyone! Today I'm going to do extra credit for Modulus 3, question number 4, which says that Danny Diver weighs 500 newtons and steps off a diving board 10 meters above water. How much kinetic energy does Danny have when he is halfway down? And then it asks how much kinetic energy does he have when he hits the water. So, when Danny hits the water, his kinetic energy equals his potential energy. Therefore, we could use, if I have a formula sheet over here, we could use this equation over here for potential energy. So PE is equal to M times G times H. M being the mass, G being the acceleration due to gravity, which is 10, and H being the height, which also known as distance in this case. So what we know is that Danny Diver weighs 500 newtons. So 500 newtons, it's Danny's mass put on by gravity because newtons is the force. Therefore, this in itself is M and G. Now for height, it asks, how much kinetic energy does Danny have when he is halfway down? Therefore, to answer the first question, you would have to do 10 divided by 2 because that would be the distance when Danny is halfway, okay? So to answer the first part, it would be PE equals 500 newtons times 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Okay, and if you plug that into a calculator, times 5, you get 2,500. So, and energy is measured in joules, so Danny would have used 2,500 joules. Next part, it asks, how much energy does Danny have when he hits the water? Okay, so now instead of 5, we are going to use 10. So 500, which is his mass, times the acceleration, because 500 newtons, times 10. Plug that into a calculator, you should get 5,000. There we go. 5,000 joules. Okay, so this is how much kinetic energy Danny has when he is halfway down, and this is how much kinetic energy he has when he hits the water.